The silent architects of our body. The early foundations.
Imagine a world without bones. A place where movement is impossible, structure is a dream, and strength is a myth. Our bones are the silent architects of our bodies, shaping us, enabling us to move, protecting our vital organs, and serving as the very framework of our existence. From the moment we are born, our bones play a crucial role in our overall health and well-being.
The journey begins. Consider Sarah, a young girl with dreams of becoming a ballerina. Her journey towards this goal is not just about grace and flexibility. It's deeply intertwined with the health of her bones. From a young age, Sarah's parents ensured she consumed a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, essential nutrients for bone health. Little did Sarah know that these early habits would lay the foundation for her future dreams. Understanding bone anatomy. The marvel of bone structure. Bones are not just rigid structures. They are living, dynamic tissues that undergo continuous remodeling. Composed of collagen and calcium phosphate, bones provide both flexibility and strength. The outer layer, known as the periosteum, houses nerves and blood vessels, playing a vital role in nutrient delivery and sensation. The role of bone cells. Within this complex structure, different types of cells work harmoniously. Osteoblasts are the builders, synthesizing new bone tissue, while osteoclasts are the demolition experts, breaking down old bone. Osteocytes, the most abundant bone cells, act as the communicators, directing the activity of osteoblasts and osteoclasts to maintain bone health. The nutritional pillars of bone health. Calcium, the building block. Sarah's diet was rich in dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods, ensuring an adequate intake of calcium. This mineral is essential for the development and maintenance of strong bones. It's not just about drinking milk, it's about a consistent intake of calcium-rich foods throughout life. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Without vitamin D, Sarah's body wouldn't effectively absorb calcium. Regular exposure to sunlight and consuming foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified cereals ensured her body had sufficient vitamin D levels. Supplements can also play a role, especially in regions with limited sunlight. Magnesium and phosphorus, the supportive duo. While calcium and vitamin D often steal the spotlight, magnesium and phosphorus are equally important. Magnesium helps convert vitamin D into its active form, while phosphorus, found in every cell of the body, is crucial for forming the bone matrix. The role of physical activity. Weight-bearing exercises. As Sarah grew older, her ballet training became more intense. Weight-bearing exercises, such as dancing, running, and strength training, are essential for stimulating bone growth and increasing bone density. These activities force the body to work against gravity, strengthening the bones in the process. The importance of balance and flexibility. Ballet also taught Sarah the importance of balance and flexibility. These elements are crucial in preventing falls and fractures, especially as one ages. Yoga and Pilates can enhance these skills, contributing to overall bone health. The impact of hormones. The hormonal symphony. Hormones play a significant role in bone health. During puberty, a surge in growth hormones and sex hormones like estrogen and testosterone stimulate bone growth. For women, maintaining healthy estrogen levels is crucial, as a decline in estrogen during menopause can lead to osteoporosis. Thyroid and parathyroid glands. The thyroid and parathyroid glands regulate calcium levels in the blood. An overactive or underactive thyroid can affect bone density. Regular checkups and maintaining hormonal balance are essential for bone health. The hidden threats to bone health. Osteoporosis, the silent disease. Osteoporosis is often called the silent disease because it progresses without symptoms until a fracture occurs. Regular bone density tests can help detect early signs of osteoporosis, allowing for timely intervention. Lifestyle factors. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and a sedentary lifestyle are significant risk factors for bone health. Sarah's disciplined lifestyle, free from these habits, contributed to her strong bones. Chronic conditions. Certain chronic conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis and diabetes, can affect bone health. Managing these conditions through medication, lifestyle changes, and regular medical consultations is crucial. The role of genetics. Inherited traits. Genetics play a crucial role in determining bone density and susceptibility to bone diseases. Understanding family history can provide insights into potential risks and guide preventive measures. Epigenetics and bone health. Epigenetics, the study of changes in gene expression, highlights how lifestyle and environmental factors can influence genetic predispositions. A healthy lifestyle can positively impact bone health, even with genetic risk factors. Bone health across different life stages. Childhood and adolescence. The foundation of bone health is laid during childhood and adolescence. Adequate nutrition, physical activity, and healthy lifestyle choices are crucial during these formative years. Adulthood. Maintaining bone health in adulthood involves a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding harmful habits. Periodic bone density tests can help monitor bone health. Elderly. As bones become more brittle with age, fall prevention becomes critical. Strength and balance exercises, a nutrient-rich diet, and regular medical checkups are essential for maintaining bone health in the elderly. Innovative treatments and future directions. Advancements in medicine. Research in bone health is continually evolving. Innovative treatments, such as bone-building medications and hormone replacement therapy, offer new hope for those with bone diseases. Stem cell therapy. Stem cell therapy is an emerging field with the potential to revolutionize bone health. By regenerating damaged bone tissue, this treatment could provide solutions for various bone disorders. The role of technology. Wearable technology and apps can help monitor physical activity and ensure individuals meet their daily exercise and nutritional goals. These tools offer personalized insights and motivation for maintaining bone health. The emotional and mental connection. The mind-body connection. Sarah's journey wasn't just physical. It was also emotional and mental. Stress management, adequate sleep, and a positive mindset are crucial for overall health, including bone health. Practices like meditation and mindfulness can reduce stress, promoting better bone health. Building healthy habits. Consistency is key. Sarah's disciplined approach to nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle choices was integral to her bone health. Building and maintaining healthy habits is a lifelong commitment. Community and support. The role of community. Support from family, friends, and healthcare professionals is vital. Sarah's journey was supported by her parents, coaches, and doctors. Community support can provide motivation, resources, and encouragement. Educational initiatives. Raising awareness about bone health through educational initiatives can empower individuals to make informed decisions. Schools, workplaces, and community centers can play a role in promoting bone health. Conclusion: the legacy of strong bones. Sarah's achievement. Years of dedication paid off when Sarah became a professional ballerina. Her journey highlights the importance of prioritizing bone health from an early age. Strong bones are not just about avoiding fractures. They are about leading a vibrant, active, and fulfilling life. Your journey. Your bone health journey is unique, but the principles remain the same. A balanced diet, regular physical activity, hormone balance, and a healthy lifestyle. By understanding the factors that influence bone health, you can make informed choices to keep your bones strong and healthy. In conclusion, keeping your bones healthy is a lifelong commitment that involves a combination of nutrition, physical activity, and lifestyle choices. By following the story of Sarah and understanding the science behind bone health, you can take proactive steps to ensure your bones remain strong and supportive throughout your life. Remember, your bones are the silent architects of your body, deserving of care and attention to build a strong foundation for a vibrant and active life. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe. 4-0.